Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest and fastest growing areas in digital marketing, short form video content. If you've ever wondered how brands and creators are leveraging platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to drive massive growth, you're in the right place. Becoming a short form video growth specialist is a lucrative career path that blends creativity, strategy, and analytics to help businesses and creators thrive. Let's break it all down and explore how you can master this skill and turn it into a profitable career. Short form video is a powerhouse for driving sales because it captures attention quickly and delivers a message in a matter of seconds. People love bite sized, engaging content that entertains, educates, or inspires. And businesses are tapping into this trend to showcase their products or services. Whether it's a quick product demo, a before and after transformation, or a relatable skit, short form videos are perfect for sparking curiosity and encouraging viewers to take action. With the right call to action, CTA, these videos can drive traffic to websites, boost product sales, and even increase signups for events or services. The immediacy and virality of short form content make it one of the most effective tools for converting viewers into customers. Several platforms are built to reward short form videos. TikTok is the leader in this space, with its algorithm favoring engaging, creative, and authentic content. Instagram Reels has also become a key player, offering high visibility and reach. YouTube Shorts is another platform gaining traction, helping creators tap into YouTube's massive user base. Even Pinterest and LinkedIn have started experimenting with short-form video formats. The key is to understand the unique dynamics of each platform and tailor your content to maximize engagement and reach. Writing hooks that stop scrolling is an art form, and it's one of the most important skills for a specialist. The first 3 seconds of a video are critical. They determine whether someone keeps watching or moves on. Effective hooks can be questions, "Did you know this trick?" or bold statements, or intriguing visuals that spark curiosity. The goal is to grab attention immediately. Specialists experiment with different hooks to find what resonates with their audience, ensuring every video starts strong and keeps viewers engaged. Certain formats consistently perform well. Tutorials, how-to videos, and quick tips are great for educating. Storytelling formats, like A Day in the Life, are excellent for building connection and relatability. Trends and challenges, often driven by music or hashtags, are perfect for riding the wave of virality. Product demos, transformations, and before and after videos are highly effective for showcasing results. Specialists focus on these proven formats while adding their unique twist to stand out in a crowded space. Posting strategies play a huge role. Consistency is key. Posting regularly helps algorithms. Timing also matters. Understanding when your audience is most active can boost engagement rates. Specialists often experiment with posting times and frequencies to find what works best for their niche. Cross-posting content across platforms can also maximize reach. But it's important to tailor videos to each platform. By staying consistent, specialists build momentum. Analytics for Reels and Shorts provide invaluable insights into what's working and what's not. Metrics like views, watch time, and engagement rate reveal how well a video resonates. Retention rate is particularly important. It shows how long viewers are sticking around. Specialists dive deep into these analytics to identify trends, refine strategies, and replicate success. They also use insights to guide their clients, helping them understand the impact of short-form videos. Growing accounts for clients is one of the most rewarding aspects. Specialists work with brands. This might involve creating a content calendar, brainstorming ideas, or managing production. By consistently delivering engaging videos, specialists help clients attract followers and boost engagement. The ability to grow accounts quickly is a valuable skill that businesses are willing to pay for. Monetization options for short-form video are abundant, both for specialists and their clients. Creators can earn directly through programs like TikTok's Creator Fund and YouTube Shorts revenue sharing. Brand partnerships and sponsored content are another lucrative avenue for creators. For specialists, offering content creation, account management, or growth consulting can generate income. Creating and selling templates or guides on short-form video strategies can provide passive income streams. Avoiding common short-form mistakes is crucial for maintaining credibility and maximizing results. Frequent errors include overloading videos with too much information or neglecting audio quality. Many creators fall into the trap of copying trends without adding their unique perspective. Specialists focus on high-quality, authentic videos that align with goals and resonate with their audience. Selling video growth services is a highly profitable avenue. Many businesses lack the time or expertise. Specialists can offer strategy development and video production, charging one-time fees or retainers. Building a portfolio of successful campaigns and case studies can help attract clients and establish credibility. As their reputation grows, specialists can scale their services, taking on larger clients and coaching roles. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a clear roadmap to becoming a short-form video growth specialist. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more insights, let's keep creating amazing content together.